In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use images from web URL in Power BI report. By the end, you'll be able to display pictures from the web directly inside your visuals, so your reports look richer, clearer, and more engaging. Start by opening Power BI desktop on your computer and loading the report where you want these images to appear. Before proceeding, make sure your dataset includes a column with the full web addresses for your images. This can be an Excel file or another data source, but the key is that each link points directly to an image file, typically ending with .jpg or .png. Public accessible links work best, and using secure HTTPS links is a good practice. A quick check is to paste a link into a browser. If it shows the image by itself, you're set. Import that data set into Power BI and let it load. Once it's available, switch to the table view from the left panel so you can see your fields and some sample rows. Click to select the column that contains your image URLs. With that column highlighted, go to the Column Tools tab on the ribbon, find Data Category, open the drop-down and choose Image URL. This tells Power BI to render those values as images instead of showing them as plain text. And it's the step that makes everything work. Now return to Report View to place the images in your report. On the right, select a visual that can display images. A table or matrix visual is the most straightforward choice. Add your image URL field to the visual just like you would with any other field. As soon as it's placed, the links should render as thumbnails. You can resize the visual, adjust the column width, and tweak row height so the images appear clearly. Feel free to include additional fields like names, categories, or scores alongside the images to create a clean, informative layout. The images will respond to filters and slicers so you can interact with the report as usual. If your images don't show up, double check that the URLs end with .jpg or .png. Try opening a few links directly in a browser and confirm the data category is set to image URL. Also verify that the links aren't behind a sign-in and that your network allows access to those sites. For better performance, smaller image files or thumbnail links are ideal. That's all you need to start using web-hosted images in your Power BI report. Save your work, refresh when your data updates, and enjoy a more visual, easy-to-understand report.